TATE Orbital automatic TIG welding machine is at the forefront of innovation in industries like aerospace engineering, nuclear energy, pharmaceutical production, clean pipeline systems, food processing, and electronics manufacturing. Let's discuss its role in high-purity gas pipelines for the semiconductor industry. In electronics manufacturing, especially in the production of semiconductors, pipelines for high-purity gases must meet stringent standards for cleanliness and precision. The TATE welding machine ensures flawless, contamination-free welds that maintain the integrity of gas delivery systems. Its automated orbital welding technology is perfectly suited for creating ultra-smooth weld seams in cleanroom environments. This not only enhances operational efficiency but also ensures compliance with global standards in semiconductor manufacturing. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE Orbital Automatic TIG welding machine, offering comprehensive OEM and ODM solutions. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share our video. Contact us at info@oak.com.